everyone, this is Coach Pablo and I'm one of the coaches in The Voice Kids.
Si Pablo, hindi ko alam eh. Bakit parang gigil na gigil siyang durugin ako dito sa competition na to. Hindi ko alam naman ginagawa, chill lang naman ako. Pero si Pablo, ako din naman, nakakatakot siya as coach kasi hindi ko alam kung anong pwede niyang gawin with the talents na meron siya with the artist. But yeah, chill lang siya pero hindi natin alam ano nasa isip.
Si Pablo naman, I can feel that, he's very into this. Napaka-competitive ni Pablo. Kaya wala ako masabi kasi kahit siya yung pinakabagong coach dito, talagang mararamdaman mo na, alam mo yun, like may bago siyang, may kakaiba siyang mga strategies, may kakaiba siyang style on how to win a talent or a kid. Which is a nice thing. It's a good problem.
So, let's start off with Coach Pablo, the newest member of The Voice. Coach Pablo is as professional as they can be, as nice as they can be, as kulit also as they can be. And I'm kind of jealous because ang ganda ng buhok niya.
Overall, lahat sila magagaling na coaches and talagang I need to be very attentive sa mga kung paano ko papapasukin ang mga talents sa tropa ni Pablo. Because there are lots of kids na sobrang talented na gusto kong mapunta and need ko talaga galingan sa pagsasalita and kuhanin ang loob ng mga bata para lumakas ang tropa ni Pablo. Yun lang. The best ng mga coaches.